Most people get remote team payments completely wrong. They rely on random bank transfers, messy spreadsheets, and delayed payouts that frustrate everyone. But here's the truth no one tells you. If your payment system is not automated, your remote team will always feel unstable. In this video, you'll learn whether Deel in 2026 is really the best platform for remote teams, how it works in real situations, and whether it is worth using for your business or startup. Let's break it down simply. Deel is a platform that helps companies hire, manage, and pay remote workers across different countries. Think of someone like Alex, who runs a small software startup with developers in India, designers in Europe, and marketers in the USA. Without Deel, he has to handle different currencies, tax rules, and contracts manually. With Deel, everything becomes one system. Now here's where it gets interesting. Deel does not just send payments. It also handles contracts, compliance, and payroll automation in one place. You can hire freelancers or full-time contractors, generate legally compliant contracts in minutes, and pay them in their local currency. That removes one of the biggest headaches in remote work, which is cross-border payment issues. But here's the problem. Deel is powerful, but it is not the cheapest option. For very small teams or solo freelancers, the cost can feel high compared to simpler tools. Let's go step by step. For startups like Jake's online agency, Deel is extremely useful when hiring international freelancers. He can onboard a designer in Brazil or a developer in India without worrying about legal paperwork or payment delays. Now compare that to a traditional setup. Without Deel, you might use PayPal, bank transfers, and separate contract tools. That creates confusion, delays, and potential compliance risks. Now here's where it gets interesting. Deel also offers automated tax documentation and compliance support depending on the country. That means fewer legal mistakes when hiring globally, which is a huge advantage for growing companies. The interface is clean and designed for business use. You can see all your workers, payments, and contracts in one dashboard. Most users find onboarding straightforward, even without technical experience. But it is not perfect. Some users report that customer support can be slow during peak times, and pricing can increase as your team grows. So is Deel worth it in 2026? Yes, if you are managing remote teams across countries and want everything in one place. No, if you are just hiring locally or only working with a few freelancers occasionally. Here's the final takeaway. Deel is not just a payment tool. It is a full remote workforce management system built for global teams. If this helped you understand Deel clearly, like the video, comment if you manage a remote team, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you build smarter systems.